In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Canva website to Squarespace. This process is simple and straightforward, so let's dive right in. Start by opening your browser and head over to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, log into your Canva account if you haven't done so already. You'll want to have your site design ready, so go ahead and select the website design you've been working on. This could be a single-page site or more elaborate with several sections, depending on what you need. With your design open and ready, look towards the top right of the screen and click on the Share button. This will prompt a menu with various options. From this menu, look for the icon with 3 dots, usually labeled as More Options or Advanced Settings. Clicking this will give you additional functionalities. Here, you'll want to select the Embed option. This is a crucial part of the process, as embedding allows you to seamlessly integrate your Canva design into another platform, in this case, Squarespace. After selecting Embed, you will see the option to copy the embed code. Click on Copy to capture this code into your clipboard. Make sure not to alter this code in any way, as it contains the essential data needed for correctly viewing your design on Squarespace. Now, let's move on to Squarespace. Open a new tab and log into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the website where you want to integrate your Canva design. Squarespace allows you to add various content blocks. What you need to do is add a new block by clicking on Add Block, which you can find in either the Page Editor or Block Editor sections. When you click on Add Block, a new menu will appear. Scroll through to find the Embed option. Selecting this will prompt you to move on to the next steps required for embedding your Canva design. With the Embed block now added, click on Edit. You'll find this option situated on the block itself. Once the editing interface is open, choose Code Snippet. This action will prompt a new field where you'll be able to add custom code. Click on Embed Data in this field, a space where you can now paste the copied Canva embed code. Make sure the entire code is pasted accurately to prevent any issues in the display of your website design. Once you've double-checked that the code is correctly pasted in, finish up by clicking on Save. This will finalize the process and integrate your Canva design into Squarespace. And there you have it. Your beautifully designed Canva website is now part of your Squarespace site. Remember, it's always a good idea to preview your site after making such changes to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy designing!